How to log in Amazon A to Z employee account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, then at the top search bar type in login Amazon A to Z employee account. Just as you do so, you would see its official website that says Amazon A to Z login. Let's go ahead and open up the first link. As you do so, you will get landed onto a page like this. In here, type in the login ID. Also be noted that this isn't your authorized shopping account, so make sure that you enter your correct credential for your Amazon A to Z account. Once done, click on to login. At the next page, you will be required to enter your password. Do that, then click on to login again. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Amazon A to Z account, and you can also see your homepage inside of it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.